Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to connect the MetaMask extension to Chrome. First, open your Chrome browser and head over to the Chrome Web Store. Use the search bar to find MetaMask and make sure you select the official extension. Once you find it, simply click the Add to Chrome button. A small pop-up will appear asking for confirmation. Click Add Extension to complete the installation process. This usually takes just a few seconds. After installation, click the MetaMask Fox icon in your browser's toolbar to open the extension. You'll then be presented with two options: either create a brand new wallet or import one you already own. If you're new, select Create a New Wallet. Read through the terms of service carefully, and if you agree, click to accept them. This step is crucial for setting up your secure digital asset storage. Now it's time to secure your wallet. First, create a robust password that you'll use to unlock MetaMask on your browser. Next, you'll see your secret recovery phrase, which consists of 12 words. This phrase is incredibly important. Write it down precisely and store it in a very secure, offline place. Never, ever share these 12 words with anyone, as they are the master key to your funds. To finalize the setup, you'll be asked to confirm your secret recovery phrase by re-entering the 12 words in the correct sequence. Once confirmed, your MetaMask wallet is fully set up and ready to use. You can now send and receive various cryptocurrencies and tokens. Furthermore, you can connect your wallet to countless decentralized applications, opening up a world of Web3 possibilities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.